to God and thank all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because today I am just going to tell you about knowledge is power. It is an English proverb and it is also said that knowledge is power. Look at KNOWLEDGE. It means knowledge. I have written here knowledge. Through this word, I will explain you about knowledge. Through this letter, I will tell you about knowledge. Look at. First letter is K. K means know. It means if you know about something or about someone, it means you have knowledge. First letter is K. It means if you know about any person, place or thing, so you are a knowledgeable guy. Look at. Next letter is N. N for new things. It means knowledge provides you new things. Knowledge gives you new things. If you want to update yourself, so you should gain knowledge. Next letter is O. O means outwit. What O means? Outwit. It means if you want to defeat someone, so you should have knowledge. With the help of knowledge, you can defeat anybody in the world, whether you have weapons or not, whether you have weapons or any arms. There is no need anything. If you have knowledge, so with the help of knowledge, you can defeat anyone in the world. Next, it means outwit. Next, W for wiser. Knowledge makes you wiser. If you want to become an intelligent person, so first of all, you should gain knowledge. If you gain knowledge, then definitely somewhere down the line, you will become wiser in your life. Next, L for legendary. Legendary, famous person. Look at, if you have knowledge, so you can also become legendary for your country and for the world also. I am just telling you with the help of example. As we know, Mr. Vivekanand ji. So why he is called legendary of the world? Legendary of the world, because he had a lot of knowledge. He had vast knowledge about everything. Besides Vivekanand ji, we have a lot of person like Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, we have also Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, our honorable Prime Minister. So, legendary person. Why they are legendary? Why they are famous? Because they have knowledge. Next letter E. E for expand. Okay, if you want to expand anywhere of the world, if you want to expand yourself anywhere in the world, so how can you expand yourself? With the help of knowledge. If you have knowledge, so whether you live in city or a village, no matter, whether you live in a city or a village, no matter, you will be famous. Okay, and everybody will know you. So it also, like knowledge also provides us expand. Okay, next one is D. D for deserving. If you want to become a deserving guy or gal, it means if you want to become a deserving person in your life, so first of all you should have knowledge, because knowledge makes you a deserving person. Look at. Next, G. G for genuine. Knowledgeable person do not do any fake work. Like knowledgeable person don't speak any wrong thing, because they are what? They are genuine. Because knowledge makes you genuine. Okay. Last letter is E. E for encouraging. E for encouraging. Like if you want to encourage someone, so first of all, you should have knowledge. Then only you can encourage to anyone or someone. Okay. So overall, I want to tell you, knowledge plays very important role in everybody's life. knowledge plays very important role in everybody's life. Okay, so we must try to gain knowledge. So how can we gain? So there is a best medium to gain knowledge, your mobile. In this century, as we know, everybody has mobile. So with the help of mobile, you can gain knowledge. It is a simple thing, because you know, in mobile we have YouTube. Okay, so through the YouTube you can gain any kind of knowledge, and you can become a knowledgeable guy. Okay, so guys, now I'm repeating all these letters one by one. K for know, N for new things, O for outwit, W for wiser, L for legendary, E for expand, D for deserving, G for genuine, and E for increasing. Okay, so it was all about today's class, and if you liked this video, so please like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Jai Hind.